Hello everyone, I'll be presenting our work Preliminary Experiments with Transformer-Based Approaches to Automatically Inferring Domain Models from Textbook. Domain model is an important aspect of computer-based instructional system and consists of all the aspects that a learner should master to be proficient in a particular domain. There are various components in domain modeling. In this work, we focus on knowledge component extraction for domain modeling, specifically for computer science as our domain. We use textbook as a source of domain model creation. As we can see, we have used embedding-based ranking approaches for knowledge component extraction. Specifically, we used four different transformer-based models, BERT, CodeBERT, SciBERT, and RoBERTa to see if domain-specific transformer models such as CodeBERT and SciBERT have any advantage, given that they're trained on computer science data. We used cosine similarity and maximum marginal relevance as our evaluation metric for the study. Our results suggest that we can use pre-trained transformer model for domain modeling. Even the models such as CodeBERT and SciBERT are trained on domain-specific data, they didn't show any advantage over BERT and RoBERTa. We also observed that using maximum marginal relevance could rank specific concept of a topic higher than general concept. Thank you.